Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace suspended. So if you can't access Facebook Marketplace or your account has been restricted, just follow along. First, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Next, go to the menu and tap on Marketplace. If you see a message that your Marketplace access is suspended, tap on Request Review or Appeal if the option is available. After that, follow the instructions and submit your review request. And make sure your listings follow Facebook Marketplace's rules, including allowed products, accurate descriptions, and correct information. Next, remove any listings that may have violated Marketplace policies. You should also check your account status to see if there are any restrictions on your account. And if your account was suspended by mistake, explain the issue clearly when submitting your appeal. And you can also update the Facebook app and try accessing Marketplace again. So those are the best ways to fix Facebook Marketplace suspended. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.